I have this soft blow hammer. It's I think it's a Chinese knockoff. I can't remember where I got it, but both of the heads, both sides had broke off, and I bought a couple of Lixie replacement heads, and it turns out that they're too loose. This thread is smaller than this one. So I've got a couple things I might try. One is make an adapter from this thread to this thread and screw them in. And either way, I was going to machine this so that this recess, as you can see, it kind of sticks out. So I was going to machine that taper and put it in so it fits flush. So I'm going to start by figuring out what thread that is, and if I can get a bolt, that thread, I can just drill out the center of the bolt and retap it to this thread. So that'll probably be the quick and easiest. The other option is to, I was going to use some silicon brass brazing rod and fill this hole and drill and retap it for this. The only problem with that is the wood handle. I'd have to try and get this nail out and pull that thing out and everything to make that fit. So I think the easiest thing is to try and get an adapter. I made this adapter. It turns out that the hammer was an M12 1.75 thread, a metric thread. So I took a piece of 1/2 inch rod, turned it down, threaded it M12 1.75, and then drilled and tapped the inside. It turned out the inside is 5/16, this thread 5/16 18. So that'll thread on there like that. So the only thing left to do now is I'll part these off. I need tool number 5. Alright, so that's my parting tool. I'm going to stop this and see about parting them off. Okay, here's what it looks like. You can see the original and the adapter on the outside, and that now just screws into the hammer. Sounds solid enough. We got a hammer that works again.